Hello and welcome to the AS's Clog. This is a place where we look to educate, explain, or demonstrate topics or concepts from within the industry. Today, I'm joined by Mike Wiltshire, Business Development Manager for AS's. So, Mike, is PoC dead?
Well, yeah, we believe so. PoC, or push to talk over cellular, as it's known in the industry, has been around for 15, 20 years now. And the reality is it's evolved quite significantly. So it's moved through a couple of iterations, if you like. So it's gone from PoC to broadband push to talk to GCaaS. GCaaS is group communications as a service. And what it does is it wraps up an organization's or a group's communication requirements and wraps it up into a single platform. Now, PoC has been broadly instant audio comms, push to talk over cellular. GCaaS obviously can communicate locations. It can communicate push to talk as PoC does. It can communicate via video. It can communicate lone worker emergencies. It can communicate tasks and various other things as well. So it's not just this push to talk thing that we seem to be obsessed with in this industry. There are plenty of PoC platforms out there, but all of them have kind of evolved to offer new features and benefits. So we need to evolve the terminology as well around that. So GCaaS, we believe, is here to stay, and PoC, the old vernacular, is dead.
So thank you, Mike. That's a great explanation there. So from a customer's point of view, then you've mentioned it's a feature-rich single platform. So how does does the customer have to have all the features? Can they choose? Can they modify? Could they even potentially add with other third parties if that's needed?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a good question. So GCaaS is designed to be extremely flexible. So we tend to listen to what customers' requirements are, and we design the solution around those. So quite often they'll start with something like lone worker protection, and actually not the push to talk element that we see from PoC. So we'll see opportunities arrive at us with maybe indoor localization as the driving feature, or lone worker protection, as I say. So what we do is we go to these customers and we say, yes, we can provide you with lone worker protection that's British standard compliant and does all the things that you need. But as part of that, you'll also get GPS locations, you'll get push to talk, you'll get X, Y, Z, and you've got the ability to add other features like task management or indoor localization, as you said, and things of that nature. So yeah, it's designed to be it's designed to be extremely flexible and fit in with what customer requirements are. And with regards to integrating with third-party applications, absolutely. So you can have third-party applications running alongside it on a device. You might have an industry-specific application that you need to have access to. You can run that on a device, but all the while be involved in the conversation in the background with your GCaaS platform, and also be comfortable that in emergency situations, the device will raise an emergency back to the response team that you've got set up. Also, it can also integrate with back-end platforms. So you might have an alarm receive center that runs a specific platform. We can actually integrate with that platform. So our emergencies from GCaaS come straight through to your incumbent ARC platform.
With the customers, what industries have you seen GCaaS being put into? And then also, what industries do you think it could go into?
Yeah, so again, with GCaaS as a solution, any organization needs good instant communications it's going to fit into. So we do have industries where we see it being very well used or utilized, and that's security industry in particular. But also we've had a lot of success with transport and logistics, big pharmaceuticals companies. Like I say, really, it's wherever there's an opportunity to deploy instant communications, or there's a lone working element to your organization. So we do a lot of work with councils who have social services going out to, potentially really dangerous situations, but are comfortable and confident that if they do get into dangerous situations, somebody's only a button push away, or even just not even a button push. It might just be an event trigger that raises an alarm. So yeah, the right answer is there's no set industry. It can fit in with anyone, but there are obviously those that take it up more frequently than others. like security, for example.
That's great. Thank you, Mike. For any more information, please email the email address which will be shown, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.